So over here you can see that this particular clip has a certain color grading. And let's say what you want to do is you want to go around and transfer out the color grading of another footage onto this footage. In order to do that, you need to go around and first of all make a composite shot right here, just like this. And this has been turned into a composite shot. Then what you need to do is you need to go around and bring in another media that you want to transfer the color grading from. So let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and bring in this particular footage right here. So let's say I want the color grading of this footage on this particular footage right here. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around under effects right here, and I'm going to go around under color grading. So let me just go around over here onto color grading, and once you do that, I'm going to go around and bring in grading transfer. So over here you can see that this is a layer only effect. That means it'll only work in a composite shot. So if I were to go around and then drag the sound over here on the top layer, you can see the grading transfer right here. So I can just expand this out right here, and it says grading from. So I want to go around and transfer the grading from water. And now you can see that the grading of this particular layer right here has been transferred out right here. The footage is much more bluish, as you can see, just like this. So now what you can do is you can go around, change around the bright shift right here, and change around the dark shift as well. You can go around and work around with the shadows and change around the brightness right here, and change around the chrominance over here as well. Then you got the mid-tone transfer right here. Like you can work around with the brightness right here, just like this, and work around with chrominance as well. And similarly, you can work around with the highlights as well. Then you can work around with the opacity, as you can see, and so forth in the transform section itself. So that is how you can work around with the grading transfer effect inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.